Welcome to the Frame Master TV. This is how to frame and install a 5-in-1 wooden wall frame for your living room. Let's get started. Cut your wooden board in 5 pieces depending on how you want your sizes to be. Use your sizes to scale your pictures for the printout. Laminate the pictures and make them ready for framing. The framing passes through these processes: trimming of the edges, shaping, cutting, smoothing and many more, as you can see in the video. This is a step-by-step tutorial available on the Frame Master TV on YouTube. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel by hitting on the subscribe button. When the framing of all the 5 pieces is done, step is the installation. Prepare your wall and start with the installation process. Install the bigger frame. Make sure it's straight and aligned in the center. Install with the second one to your left. Proceed with the next one. With the same process, install the fourth one to your right. Lastly, install the 5th one to your right. Install the butterfly LED light with different colors around the 5-in-1 frame to make the work more beautiful. Now your work is ready. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting on the subscribe button. You can follow us on TikTok at the Frame Masters 1 and on Facebook at Jostle Express Photo Frames. We bring your memories into reality.